Một quá ngon đi đâu vào. Hey, come down. Go to the soft bank and swim and twist.
Cà phê mì dâu mê vào đây ăn mà phê ác quay à.
Cus. Lua. Con.
Wow guys, we're finally here in Surfers Paradise.
Sili lava le fama e maua o le fia le ao ngā palalangi ta e ele vale maua i le wha amai.
Morning guys. So we woke up a while ago and I started cooking breakfast. Same old porridge, bacon and eggs. But I wanted to come in because I was like, Aussie, did we have cleaners in today? Knowing full and well that there were none. Just trying to pump up my man's head. Vacuum the whole room while I was cooking breakfast. And because it's an apartment, we don't get housekeeping. So I'm like, what the heck? Are you a woman or what? Look at the bedroom, guys. I just can't get over it.
Tell everyone I clean all the room and house every day. I'm a woman.
Morning.
Morning.
Nasa kala iwa ngala isamo. Yo fa nga ulai makamakamu.
Makuai Christian mere ke mo kuai mo makuai. Gay mami ai umie. Mai makamaka mai ro. Era ai ne fua boa mal bacon mal apu mal foresi mal pai. Ya mal chemen pan cheche. Mai kero me ai.
Mal chicken bacon.
Mal ek.
Hey snacky boy.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jochi. We're just having a breakfast this morning. It's last day today for us. We feel so sad because we missed Brisbane. We just go back to our hometown and work there and come back here for next and holiday. So yeah guys,
What is that?
this is the star from when I was in Samoa.
Is that your
If
napkin?
you finish training, you put your t-shirt in front here.
Is that a napkin?
We're having a breakfast the last day of our holiday here in Brisbane. This is our breakfast for today, and we go somewhere else. So hanging around everywhere. And tonight guys, we're going to the South Bank and swim to the beach.
Your mom's laughing so much. Ala. Lea nga lulu kama.
Go to the South Bank and swim and twist and relax on the sand like a palm.
This German bun is bomb from Sia's takeaway. Mainly because the bread is so nice and soft and sweet. These were what Emmy gave us. She bought us panqueques and German buns. So delicious.
So nice.
Guys, we're ready now. I'm so awkward. We're ready now. We're ready to go. We're going on a stula, Amia.
Yo, stula.
Stula.
Kula mangula. Mula la engo me ai.
I'm just gonna wear my jandals.
Should
I wear these shoes, guys? Do they suit? I can't see.
We're going to the last day and final day here in Brisbane. This is our last day guys. Where are we going today? I don't know where we're going today. So we're going to the mall. To spend some time to the mall. And tonight we're gonna be lit at the Soft Bank Park.
Cà phê mì dâu mê vào đây ăn mà phê ác quay à. Do you see what Aussie wants us to do?
No.
Ha! Orgulloso mía!
Orgulloso. Verklokas hi. Lua hi. Golu hi ha. Yeah. Kus hi. Lua hi. Golu hi ha.
Oh my god! Mom's side is
Nice one.
Guys, Aussie's legit getting angry at me because I'm not doing it. I don't want to do it.
Kaya.
Wow guys, we're finally here in Surfers Paradise. Look at this paradise. So beautiful. Wow. I've been here before, but this is these guys' first time.
First time here in paradise.
First timers. Oh no, they're... After half an hour of driving, guys, we finally found a park. The air here is so weird. Muggy. Look how wonderful this place is, guys. But I can see a lot of the hotels closed down, they look like. A lot of them are old and raggedy.
This is so beautiful. You see it, guys? If you want to come here, just comment down below. Team Aussie. And I'll check you guys here. Okay? This is so amazing, girl. Amazing. Beautiful. This is Mommy and Mia here.
Take a photo of us.
Take a photo of you guys. How you enjoy the beach.
Guys, we couldn't pass down the opportunity to not take a photo of this sign. This is like the infamous sign. Surfers Paradise.
Surfers Paradise.
Yep. What do you think about this sign, Aussie?
This sign is so good and amazing for this beach to...
And how did this sign come about?
Come about surfing in the sea. If you surf, that means surf in the sea.
We just had some ice cream, guys. Wow, mo ay ice cream ya, ma'am.
Ay.
Esila vale fama, nailo nei mea uma. Silila vale fama, maua ole fia, nailo le taa, ia matawhanga. Ai le mai se mea lelei, e le au ngā palalangi. Ta ele vale maua ai le wha amai. Yeah guys, this is so amazing place, but us, we don't want it to be swimming in here. No way. No way. It's a pachachi, never swimming this sea. Only in sea time. Just go. Whangoka. Just go. So now we're going back to our hotel and just hanging around a little bit, get ready for next entertainment for us. Yeah.
We just got back from the Gold Coast. We decided to come back and have the rest of our lunch from yesterday so we don't waste food. This is what we're eating. Naki.
So we're going to the South Bank beach for barbecue and swimming there. It's 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock.
Guys, we're here at South Bank now. We just rocked up.
It's 6 o'clock, so we're coming here to have a barbecue and swim in the pool pitch here. Little pitch. The pitch here. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, now we're going for a swim. It's 6 o'clock, but I don't know where we're gonna do a barbecue. It's all full. Everyone using the barbecue. Otherwise, we're taking back our stuff back to the hotel and do it upstairs to the pool.
Good morning, guys. It is something o'clock. It's like 6 o'clock, and we are leaving today. I think we're going to check out earlier, much earlier than the checkout time, because we got to go back today. We're going back to Canberra, so we got to clean up, vacuum, because it's an apartment. It's not like a hotel.
Hey, come down, come down. Ibang ngumi kama ay rolla. Dia join me naman mga kari. Join.